How to promote Clickbank products. Clickbank is one of the biggest affiliate marketing programs in the world. It's a site full of digital products. Everything from weight loss and workout programs to how to make money online programs. There are affiliates making hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars with Clickbank offers. But one of the biggest questions for people starting out with Clickbank is, how do I promote Clickbank products? There are two main categories of promotion for affiliate products: free and paid. Some strategies are entirely free. Some are paid. And some are both. Let's delve into all of the methods. Method number 1, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is often abbreviated as SEO. This involves creating content like articles and videos, or structuring a website in a particular way to increase your rankings in search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. This can be one of the absolute best ways to get traffic to your Clickbank offers. However, search engine optimization is a long game. It can take quite a while to see much traffic from this method. Method number 2, YouTube. People don't always think of it this way, but YouTube is the world's second largest search engine after Google. Like SEO, creating YouTube videos can take some time, but it's a great way to sell digital products. Video is an excellent way to create reviews and tutorials of products, and to prime customers to buy. Video is a numbers game. As you create more and more consistent content for YouTube, the effect can be exponential. It's also possible to create paid YouTube advertisements. Because of the complexity of video creation, advertising on YouTube is somewhat less competitive than some of the other advertising platforms I'll discuss later. Method number 3, Facebook. Facebook is another promotional strategy that can be done with no money, or through paid ads. You could promote products directly on your Facebook wall, in a group, or as part of their advertising platform. Facebook doesn't have a very favorable view of affiliate marketing, however. It takes some creativity to get ads for Clickbank products approved, and affiliate marketers have their accounts shut down often. There's a lot of money to be made with Facebook, but it's not necessarily a great platform for beginners. Method number 4, pay-per-click. Pay-per-click advertising, often referred to simply as PPC, is advertising with Google or Bing ads. This can be a great way to make money with Clickbank. It's somewhat overlooked because so many people are focused on Facebook right now. But Google and Bing tend to be more forgiving with their ad copy, so it can be a good place for beginners with some money to spend to get started. It does require testing, and a good training course can help rather than strictly relying on trial and error. Method number 5, Instagram. Instagram is owned by Facebook, and is another method which falls into both the free and paid camps. If you have a pretty good-sized following, or can build one, you can use your Instagram account for promotion of your affiliate offers. There is also a paid advertising platform within Instagram. Method number 6, Pinterest. Like most of the other strategies outlined here, Pinterest traffic can be paid or unpaid. You can create boards, where you'll pin content at no cost, and then you can run Pinterest ads to those pins. Pinterest is especially effective when selling products to women, as women make up a large portion of the platform's users. Method number 7. Twitter. You guessed it. It's possible to use Twitter without spending any money. You can tweet to your heart's desire to provide information about Clickbank products. Also, Twitter has a robust ads platform that is sometimes lost in the shuffle compared to Facebook and Google. But Twitter can be very effective nonetheless. No matter which means you choose to drive customers to your affiliate offers, there is a great way to turbocharge your success. Email marketing. Without email, any customer who lands on your page or website is lost forever if they leave without buying. But if you're able to capture their email address, you're able to sell to them for weeks, months, and even years to come. For the best email marketing program, the one I recommend, check out my link in the description box. And be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks for watching.